Hello, everyone. Felita Daniely here, your Avon sales leader, mentor, and trainer. I am coming out to you today. I wanted to show you a very quick tutorial on how to, number one, share the digital brochure on your social media platforms, email, or via text. And I also want to show you how to save the PDF brochure to your files for future reference. Now, recently, Avon updated the website, and now we have access to a digital brochure in which we can share with our customers and prospects. I absolutely love the new digital brochure. However, when they made the updates, they eliminated the PDF files, or basically the PDF form of the brochure that we were able to use before the updates took place. I called into Avon because I was just totally disgusted to find out that we no longer had access to the PDF brochure. So I got on the phone today and I contacted Avon and expressed my concerns as a leader and asked them to please bring the PDF form of the brochure back. And when I went to check today on my mobile device, I found that it is available on the mobile device. Let me also share with you that it is not available on the desktop computer. So if you're trying to do this from your desktop, I want to tell you right now that it will not work. Okay, so you have to be on your mobile device. Now, I personally have an Android mobile device. You may have an iPhone. Whatever you have, I'm sure that it works the same way. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do is go directly to your personal Avon website. Okay. So I am going to type in my website, which is www.youravon.com/fdaniely. And when you get to your website, you're going to see at the top of the page where it'll say your store, like mine says Felita's store. You'll see shop all, and you'll also see the digital brochure. If you tap on digital brochure, it will automatically populate. This is the one of the most technologically advanced brochures I think I have seen. Avon is leading the market when it comes to this digital brochure. I absolutely love this digital brochure. I think that it's going to be an excellent sales tool for us, and it's going to save you lots of money over a period of time. When I first started this business, I had to invest money in buying brochures in order to get brochures out and reach lots of customers. We are in a new day and time where we don't have to do that any longer. So now that we have this digital brochure, it's very easy to share it with your customers and also your potential prospects. So I want to show you exactly what you need to do in order to share the digital brochure and how to download the PDF file. Now, the first thing you want to do is scroll further down, and you'll see down at the bottom of the screen where it says click icons to share. Now, if you have already created a Facebook account, you can click on Facebook. If you use Twitter, you can click on Twitter and automatically share it on Twitter. If you want to share it via email, all you have to do is click on email. I'm going to select Gmail because I mainly use Gmail, and I'm going to just type in my email address and send this to myself. I'm going to entitle this Campaign 15 Avon Brochure. Okay. And you see here that the link is already there, and all you have to do is just send it. You might want to add some type of introductory message to your customers and just say something simple such as, "Hello, customer. Just wanted to update you with the most recent Avon brochure. Here is a link to the brochure," or something to that nature. Okay. Now, the best way to reach people is through text messaging because people carry their mobile devices with them everywhere they go. So if you send someone a link to their text message, that would be the best way to do so. So all you have to do is click right here where it says text. All right. And all you have to do is type in the name of the person that you want to send it to. I'm going to send it to myself. And when I send it, you will see that it will show you a link to the brochure. So you can see here where it says Avon brochure. The same thing, you want to add some type of little quick message when you're sending it out to your prospect list, or if you're sending it out to your customers, you want to add some type of little greeting, again, just so that you're not just randomly sending out the text to anybody and everybody. Okay. So if you're just meeting someone, you want to ask them, let me ask you, when was the last time you saw an Avon brochure? And if they have not seen an Avon brochure, just ask them, well, would it be okay if I send you the brochure to your text? And if they say yes, say, great, let me get your telephone number. And all you have to do is just go to your text messaging area and just send them a text. That's all you need to do. It's going to be so much easier for you to follow up with them via text message. So I am going to go back to the brochure here, the digital brochure, and then I'm going to also show you how to download the PDF brochure for your file so that you can sell from two brochures at the same time. Now, you'll see here there are three little bars here to the right, okay? All you have to do is click on those little bars and you'll see where it says there's a search tool there, which I don't actually need. Let me go back here. I don't need the search tool, so I'm going to click on the three bars here. And right here where it says download PDF file, all you have to do is click there. Now, I already have downloaded the PDF file, so therefore it's asking me, do you want to download the Campaign 15 Brochure English PDF? I am not going to download it again. You will probably get a different message, or it will automatically start downloading. If you can notice at the very top of my phone, you will see that the download arrows are at the top of my phone. That tells me that I have downloaded at least two files. And once you see those on your phone, just know that it has downloaded to your files and you can save it in Google Drive for future reference. That's what I normally do. I save all of my PDF brochures to my Google file, and I would highly suggest that you do that as well. Okay? All right. So, again, all you have to do is click on the three bars, click there, download PDF, and it will download to your device, and all you would need to do is just save it to Google Drive. Now, see here, if I go here, you'll see here, right here, where it says download manager campaign 15 is complete. So once it's complete, you click on it, and if you click right here, it's going to open up in Google Drive. And all you have to do is go here in Google Drive, click this little arrow key up here, and save it to like your PDF file. So I already have files in here. Let me see if I can find my files. Like I have it, my file entitled Avon PDF brochures. So I'm going to save it here in this area here, and I'm going to select campaign 15 brochure English. So I'm going to select save. And once you select save, that will be there in your Google, it will be in your Google documents. And therefore, you can go back and reference any campaign that you need to reference once you save it in your Google Drive. Okay? All right. So that is going to conclude this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to leave them in the comment section for me, and I will do my best to respond to your questions as soon as I possibly can. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please be sure to give me a like. And also, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to consider subscribing to the channel so that you, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. My goal is to upload at least 2 to 3 videos every single week to help you grow your Avon business. Okay? All right. I want to thank you again for watching. And this has been Felita Daniely. And until the next time, you take care, take charge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.